Hello? Hey, what's up? I need your help. Can you come here? I can't. I'm buying...
Number 9.
Alright, well, hurry up and come over here. I can't find them. What do you mean you can't find them? I can't find them. There's only...
Dip.
What do you mean there's only...
Dip.
It means there's only...
Dip.
Well, then get out of the
Dip.
pile! Alright, you don't have to shout at me! There's more...
Dip.
What do you mean there's more?
Dip.
There's just more...
Dip.
Going to the next pile! There's still...
Dip.
Where are you right now? I'm at...
Dip.
What do you mean you're at...
Dip.
I mean I'm at...
Dip.
What store are you in? I'm at the...
Dip.
store! Why are you buying...
Number 9.
the store!